In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide fields in the Tableau data pane. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started with Tableau, managing your data fields efficiently is essential for keeping your workspace organized and ensuring your visualizations are clear and effective. Let's dive into this brief tutorial and get you up to speed in just 5 minutes. First, you'll want to open the Tableau public app. Once you have it open, navigate to your worksheet. This is where all your data fields will be listed in the data pane on the left side of the interface. It's important to have a clear workspace, so let's start by finding the field you want to hide. Take a moment to locate the specific field in the data pane that you feel is cluttering your workspace or isn't necessary for your current analysis. Next, right-click directly on that field. A context menu will appear, giving you several options. From this menu, you'll want to select the Hide option. What this does is effectively remove the field from immediate view, yet it doesn't delete it, ensuring your data is preserved. You'll notice that the field becomes grayed out in the data pane, serving as a visual indicator that it's indeed hidden. Perhaps you want to hide several fields at once, especially if they're not part of your current visualization. To do this efficiently, look to the drop-down menu located in the top right corner of the data pane. Click on it and select the Hide All Unused Fields option. This will streamline your workspace by hiding any fields not active in your ongoing analysis. Now let's say you want to revisit those hidden fields. Right-click on any field visible in your data pane. This will bring up the familiar menu again. This time, choose the Show Hidden Fields option. Once selected, all the fields you previously hid will reappear, although they'll remain grayed out to indicate that they were hidden. Finally, if you decide to bring a particular field back into active use, simply right-click on it and choose Unhide from the menu. The field will no longer be grayed out, and you'll be able to incorporate it back into your visualizations, and there you have it, a straightforward and efficient way to manage your fields within Tableau. By following these steps, you can keep your data organized, focus on what's essential for your analysis, and ensure your workspace remains clear and responsive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this makes your Tableau experience more streamlined and enjoyable.